The Café Couture Oven CAF-C2-AF is a versatile kitchen appliance with 14 different cooking modes, allowing you to air fry, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more without having to use your main oven. This oven is not only functional, but also boasts a stylish design with a stainless steel finish and signature copper accents, making it a statement piece on your countertop. One of its best features is its large capacity, which can accommodate 12-inch pizzas, 2-quart casserole dishes, and up to 6 slices of toast, making it ideal for catering to a crowd. This oven is Wi-Fi enabled and syncs with the Smart HQ app, allowing you to use voice control through Echo or Google Home devices and program recipes remotely. The oven features 6 efficient heating elements that allow for rapid preheating and a wide range of temperatures, from proofing at 80 degrees Fahrenheit to air frying at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its high performance and large capacity, the Café Couture oven is compact enough to fit on your countertop, providing convenience without compromising on functionality.